Well, we made it a quarter mile up the trail and I realized I forgot the fishing poles. So I gotta go back to the truck and get them. It's silly. All right, now that I got the fishing poles and our practice hike done with, we're back on track. We're going down the Lakes Country Trail. Beautiful day for hiking.
Oh yeah.
It's a little on the chilly side, but that's all right.
Way better than on the hot side.
Coming up the canyon, it was like deserted. It was like nobody on the highway at all. The parking lot was still pretty much full. We took one of the last 3 spots remaining, but I don't know. Hopefully there won't be too many people. So this trailhead here is the busiest in the Uintas, bar any. I mean, it's usually you have to park down the road and hike a mile to the trailhead to get to the trailhead. It's crazy. But got lucky today. And this trail is pretty easy too. It's a pretty flat like this most of the way. I must say this is the time to hike this trail is off season because we haven't seen but, half a dozen people is all. All right, here's the first of many lakes along this trail. This one's Cliff Lake. Yeah. It's pretty. It looks like we got some people over there doing some rock climbing and rappelling. That's pretty cool. All right, we made it to Petite Lake, right there. We made it to Watson Lake. That's a pretty reflection. at the vantage point here. That's Wall Lake down there. Yeah, it looks like the weather's holding out on us so far. Yesterday when I checked the news, it was 80% chance of rain up here. So far, so good. Why, looky there. Looks like we got old Nessie. Old Nessie. Confirmed sighting. Christy's saying the hiking weather is perfect. 55 degrees and slight breeze. And views like this of Clyde Lake. Awesome. There's Third Divide Lake. Just mosey on up here. The other two are just over this little ridge here. Another little lake. It's just a trail.
Yeah.
Oh wait,
I've never been walked on before.
I think we're off trail.
I think.
Well, I think maybe we are. That's okay. We were gonna hang out here for a minute, but I don't know, that cloud up there is looking a little iffy. We're gonna go this way. I think we wanna be a little closer to the trailhead when that cloud decides to dump on us, because it looks like rain is imminent. So we just mosey on back the way we came. Yeah, just as soon as we got here, the temperature dropped significantly, and I don't think it was just because we stopped hiking. It actually did. Temperature dropped and this clouds are starting to look iffy. I've been caught in a storm up here in the Uintas more than once, so they're no fun. And voila, I wasn't less than 2 minutes later, I'm starting to feel raindrops. Oh, goody goody. A little bit of a hike. We found Peter Lake. Peter. Oh, there you are, Peter. And we got that little rain cloud behind us following us. Hasn't dumped on us yet, but it's sprinkling a little bit. Goody goody. There's no doubt about it. It's getting more serious now. Here it comes. What did I say about getting stuck in a storm? Got this little hailstorm telling us to get the hell out of here. horns. That's pretty cool. That's one manly chick right there. I think she misses me already. Now this is pretty funny. Trail that way, lake that way, and more hail. Awesome.
I love the hail.
The fishing on these lakes have been pretty cold. I'm gonna give this Crystal Lake a try before I head back to the truck. All right, that was a wrap for our hike. We're just about 6.5 miles total for the day. And we're gotta come this way. I'm gonna get back to the truck and go look at some sights along the road, maybe get some pictures of the fall colors. See there, we got off the trail and in the truck, and just as the clouds opened up. At least we had some kind of luck today. Well, other than the weather, how was it?
It was awesome.
It's awesome.
It was a good hike. I love it. I loved it.
It's a pretty area for sure.
I loved it.